make sure that your seatbelts are fastened.
Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to Unbox with Albred. For this week, we're taking a look for Apple AirPods Pro. Let's take a look first. From outside, it's very smooth and clean. And smell very fresh, just like air. Let's open it, take a look inside. It's very easy to open. And there you go, your AirPods Pro. I'm pretty excited. Let's open it, one more step, and here we go, AirPods Pro. Let's take her to the outside and put it in the little box. We have a USB cable and we got no more inside, that's all. Let's put it back. Alright. Let's take a look at this little thing here. Honestly, it's still pretty small. It's bigger than the old AirPods, but it still easily fits in the pocket. And the most cool feature in AirPods is noise cancelling.